Hello, YouTube. So, I've been wanting to get into moto vlogging for a long time. And I used to ride bikes when I was younger, when I was a teenager back in the US. Here in Ecuador, I finally got this bike and was super excited to begin my moto vlogging journey. And a week after I got it, I wrecked. I had a pretty bad accident on the Pan American Highway, detached my ACL, herniated some discs, and basically put my plans on hold for a while. But I don't give up easy, and I've got some better camera setups for motovlogging. GoPro on the helmet, Insta360 on the bike here, and today's the day. I'm gonna give it a second attempt and go hit the famous Ruta Escondida. Ruta Escondida, hidden route in English, is the it's a road that is about an hour outside of Quito. It is famous because the Incan general Atahualpa used this complicated route to escape from the conquistadors, escape Quito, and make his way to Otavalo. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to hit this route, see how far I can go before sunset. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon, maybe 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So I don't have a whole lot of time, but I don't have a whole lot of battery on these cameras, so it all works out. Here we go. As you guys can probably see, I don't have the best equipment. I don't have gloves. I don't know what happened to my motorcycle gloves. I don't have a motorcycle jacket that got destroyed in the accident I told you about a few months ago. And I'm just wearing big yellow rubber boots. It's wet out, it's been raining, it's slippery, and hopefully I won't eat shit. Off we go. Buenos tardes. And now I'm entering the town of Puellaro. And this is the town of Perucho. all over Ecuador, there are these checkpoints where the police will stop you and check your paperwork, your license, that sort of thing. And I'm very nervous at this checkpoint because I have a driver's license. I have my registration for the vehicle I'm driving, but I don't have a Ecuadorian motorcycle endorsement. I haven't taken the class yet. I'm riding dirty, and I just show them my U.S. license, and that is enough to just confuse them and let them tell me to go on my way.
All right, so that was the ride.
And it was fun. It was good. Good little ride. Because I'm not super, a lot of moto vloggers, they've got thousands of hours experience on their bikes. I'm not super experienced. So because I'm not super experienced, that's all I'm gonna do for today. I'm starting small, starting easy. I don't wanna have another wreck. So I'm gonna take baby steps. And eventually I'll be doing tours around the country, crossing over the Andes Mountains, maybe going into other countries in South America, but I'm not there yet. I'm not ready yet. I'd be stupid to get ahead of myself and take on trips on this motorcycle that are too much for me right now. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the scenery and this beautiful part of the world. Peace out.